Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today's video, so excited. I got the Ace Beaute floral palettes. It's actually, sorry, the floral collection. And I'm really excited. So there are 4 palettes. I'm going to try and get these up as quickly as I can, but I've got some other videos I need to film, so I'm just trying to work everything in. But today we are going to do the Fleur palette first, which, just look at this packaging, you guys. It looks like there are little flowers, dried flowers in the packaging right here. Hopefully y'all can see that. And this is a purple palette. I know I say I don't like purple, but I like how it looks on my eyes, so and I feel like a couple of you are gonna love this because I know some of y'all are just like all for the purples. So this is for you if you are one of those people. And here's the inside of this palette. This is just absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. I love Ace Beaute's formula, so I'm sure, you know, this is gonna be nothing short of amazing. And let's go ahead and get started. I want to start with this really light purple shade right here. They don't have names, so I'm just gonna do my best to point to them. These are pretty small pan sizes. Like, I can barely get my brush in there. So this is definitely different for Ace Beaute, but I'm here for the color story, and these palettes are all gorgeous. So I will deal with the small pan sizes, or I guess I should say narrow pan sizes. They are long but narrow. Just a pretty shade, light purple. And yes, it is hot again. Like, I'm telling y'all, from here all out until October, y'all are just gonna see me burning up because it's so hot. And yeah, that is life in the Midwest. Okay. Now I really want to deepen it up. I kind of want to just, well, no. Let's go with this next purple shade right here. And then we're going to go in with a much deeper shade after this one. We're just gradually building it up. And these look gorgeous together. Alright, I am just loving how these shades are just working together. These purples are gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna take this deep purple burgundy looking shade right here. And I'm thinking we're gonna do kind of like a sort of halo eye. Let's just see what happens, how this builds up. Okay, we're looking good so far. Okay, now for the really, really, really fun part, the shimmer shades, my favorite. Gonna take a tiny little bit of that glitter primer and just gonna put that like in the middle portion of the eye. And then I have to decide what shade I want to use. I haven't even, let's see. Haven't even really thought about that yet. So, because there's so many pretty shimmer shades in here, you guys. Just get a little up close and personal. All right, so I'm just gonna, there's 3 of them, so I'm just gonna try and swatch them on the, no, actually there's 4, I'm sorry. Swatch those on the back of my hand so you guys can see them. And all right, so some of these are pretty light, but I'm hoping y'all can see those. Like, they're all beautiful. I'm not a big swatch person because I'm just not the best at it, and I don't know, I feel like it's really hard to get like a good look of everything. I'm just trying to decide, you guys, which one I think would look the best. Okay, we're gonna go in with this last one right here, and we're gonna see how it looks. And if we want to add anything to it, of course, we can do that. And again, we're just gonna put that right there in the center of the eye. That is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. All right. Freaking beautiful. Love it. Let's do the same with the other eye. Just putting a little bit of that glitter glue. Oh, you guys, I just realized something. With this, I got the palette pack. They actually gave like a, what would you call it? Like an eyelid primer, I think, with it, which I just remembered, and obviously it's too late. I'm gonna try and make myself a little mental notes, and when I do the other palettes, I'm gonna use that because I've never tried their like eye primer before, so I'm gonna have to do that. And I'm sorry that I completely forgot about that until right now, when again, obviously it's way too late to be using it right now. So we'll have to try it out with the next palette in this collection that we use. All right. And again, this is just such a pretty look. I love how this came out. Y'all know I love the shimmers. I cannot get enough. So pretty. Okay, for the lower lash line, I want to start with that lighter purple shade that we used first. And I just want to ever so lightly buff that on the lower lash line. And then I want to take this darker purple shade right here, and I just want to go on the outer portion, just maybe right to the middle. All right. And then for that lower inner corner highlight, because y'all know we got to have that, we are going to go in with this shade right here. I'm loving like these extra sparkles, and I can't stop. Okay. I'm gonna go, before I just end up with just a huge sparkly mess all over my face, I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and this is the finished look. And ooh, I really, you guys, I really like it. I actually love those smoky looks with just like a hint of sparkle in the middle. Like that just does it for me. That's just what just makes me so happy. And I love the way it looks, and just that smoky deep eye and this dark lip. Oh, this is what I live for. Like, I love it so much. So you guys, this is the look. It's beautiful. It's fun. It's sexy. It's just got that bit of glitter in it, that shimmer, just chef's kiss, beautiful, amazing. So anyway, you guys, this was the Fleur Palette from Ace Beaute. Here is the inside of that beautiful palette. And I don't know, I'm excited to use the rest of these. I got 3 more. I cannot wait. I don't know if I'll get to film with another one this week, because I got some new palettes. I have one that's going to be delivered today that I really want to film with. And yeah, so thank y'all so much for watching this video, for supporting my channel. It means so much to me. Just remember that you're loved, you're amazing. You know, just please don't give up on your hopes and dreams. And just have a wonderful day, morning, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I will see y'all in the next one.